Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put shields on Monopoly Go. To do so, first you need to launch your game on your device, and once you've launched your game, all you need to do is click on this Go button and roll the dice until you land on the shield icon shown in your board. There are a total of 4 shields in your board. One is right here, one is right here, one's here, and the last one is right here. So all you need to do is click on this Go button until you land on the shield tile. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!